Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. Today is Thursday, June the 24th, 2010. Like we do every night, here's another free alert for you. Check this out. Today's alert is on ticker symbol GILD, GILD Science Incorporated. You'll notice the decay we talked about in our nightly market analysis today is clearly defined on this chart already. And that tells us to start looking for short opportunities and totally ignore the oversold long opportunities. You don't want to be using those. They won't help you any way, shape, or form in this market because the overall market is going lower. So what you want to be doing is looking for overbought situations that you can short into. And here you have just that type of thing. We've got right there. I'd go short at 35.72 or higher if at all possible. We're going to find resistance at the upper Bollinger Band line and the 50-day moving average line. You'll notice the bearish crossover right there. That's a very negative sign for the stock right there. And when you see it in your stocks, remember that your overall markets are comprised of individual stocks. So as more and more individual stocks get these bearish crossovers, your market will end up ending with the same bearish crossover. So keep an eye on that. You also notice that VIX, which runs the opposite of the overall markets, is already have a bullish crossover. So you look for a bearish crossover in overall markets. And anyway, just like to ramble. Okay, and here we go. Overbought. And we're looking for this guy to move lower. You'll notice a good sell volume, no really good buy volume here. And you've got a gap way down here that's got to fill. Personally, I would look for a lower low in this chart, but if you're looking for your exit strategy, at least the gap fill, which is about 33 bucks a share. So there's a couple bucks there per share for you, about, I don't know, 8-9% trade for you right there. And if she goes lower, which I think she will, when you enter this guy at 35.72, that would be my recommended entry point. What I would do is give it a 10% stop, and that would be a safe play to do that, about $3.50, $3.60 above your entry point. And then as she moved down and filled this gap, I would take my stop loss limit and lower that stop. So if she continued going lower, that's great. And I could follow that rather than just jumping off the boat, right? Okay, awesome. That's how I would trade that. Now let's have a look at some of the questions that our members have sent us. Somebody asked, what do you think about GLW? We recommended a short on this guy about, let's see, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days ago. And yeah, she's following our exact analysis, what we expected would happen. So I would stay short this guy. He's not, the decay of the trend has happened already. We saw, we broke down and stopped finding support on the 50-day moving average at this point, and we stopped finding support at the 200-day at this point. We bounced back up here to the Bollinger Band line, found resistance levels here, and we're moving on lower. That makes perfect sense to me. You could continue shorting it now. I would keep in mind that we have earnings data coming out, so check your companies, see what you expect, whatever you're shorting. Keep an eye on that kind of stuff because earnings can throw a little wrench into it for short term, so keep an eye on that. The overall trend in the market is lower, and therefore I want to keep looking for shorts, not longs. Okay, that's pretty easy there. I think I already said you could cover this guy down here at the gap fill. The next time she hits this this middle Bollinger Band line, or the next time that the slow stop pulls back down to the 20 line. You have lots of different opportunities. Go back and watch that video from when we recommended this. So I don't know really why we're getting this question again. What do I think? We already said it was short, and it's moving lower, so I would just kind of stay short. That's what I think about that. Yeah. If you've not been to our free website at perfectstockalert.com, 100% free. All we ask in return is you refer a friend. And please, by all means, subscribe to the YouTube channel. We need that support so we can continue to provide these services to you for free, 100% free. Okay? Awesome. Let's have a look at our disclaimer. The disclaimer, the information provided here, and you can read. God bless. Take care. I'll see you all Friday.